sight.
Jesus. I don't even know who to bring to a game like this.
It doesn't matter. Does not matter.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected. Be advised, Op 4 has found a bomb.
There's like nothing in this room. Good luck, everybody else.
Device prime, keep an eye on.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds and counting.
Device prime! Keep an eye on door!
Bomb located by Op 4.
Device prime, keep an eye on door.
ECT prime.
Don't do that, don't do that.
Nitro!
Your identity has been compromised. Someone is tracking you down.
Wow. He killed me through the wall.
One friendly operator remaining. Bomb diffuser in place. Mission failed. All friendlies have been neutralized. You need to use your drone to locate a bomb. Your drone has found a bomb. Seconds before insertion. 5 seconds. Proceed to bomb location and defuse it.
He's down. No, he's not.
Damn.
Must recover the diffuser.
Get the diffuser back, please. Don't go that way. Don't go that way. Boom line.
Where the fuck is the diffuser?
Upstairs.
Inside
Hold
or
on, we can't hear
outside?
out. No, it's upstairs. Wait, basement. Watch it. Basement stairs. Throw her off real quick.
The diffuser has been secured.
Got it. Hey guys.
Let me get the wall. Let me get the wall open. Sorry, get the wall open.
Which one?
This one right here.
I have to go through a fucking detector to get there.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Get the wall open.
Which wall open?
This one.
Okay.
And you got fuse. Fuse it and then bust it open.
Cluster charge activated.
15 seconds
Son
left.
of a bitch.
Why did you?
Cluster charge.
No!
10 seconds remaining.
How stupid are you?
Operator standing.
I know.
What are you doing?
5 seconds remaining.
Press the button again that you placed to deploy
Cluster
it.
charge.
Oh my god.
Time
Smartest fuse.
Oh my god.
I should have just blew the wall open.
I don't listen to them.
No, I pressed the wrong button and I shot the fucking,
You
First
shot
one
your
off.
fuse charge.
I did, yeah.
Yep, that happens. Because it usually tells you to hold down your utility button to deploy it, and you click it, you bring it out, but you have to sometimes hold some of the utilities. I done shot plenty of my own shit. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I shot the first one off and it cost me my fucking time to get that wall open. Should have went around.
Stilly note, when you gotta move, if you have a hard breach utility,